change our name to the Pyro Guys? The Flannel Guys, I'm Brian. Clint is around here somewhere. I think he was looking for a rare albino bald eagle. I'm not sure. We're going to talk to you today about Lighterwood. It's also known as Fatwood. What this is old pine tree. When it dries out, the sap gets very, very flammable. And it has this lovely color. You can see all the resin in it. This stuff burns forever. We sell this along with our firewood. 100% organic chemicals. It's very easy to split. Small pieces like this will burn for a long time. We're going to give you a demonstration of that in a minute. You can tell the difference between this and regular rotten wood by two things. One, it's very heavy. So for dead wood, it's very, very heavy. And it has a very distinct smell. It smells almost like turpentine. They used to actually harvest this for turpentine back in the, I don't know, around turn of the century, 1900s, not 2000s. So if you go camping, you can take a very small amount of this. You can see all the beautiful resin in there. Look at that. Look at that beautiful resin. And it burns really well. You can light it with a match. And it burns like a candle. In the wind. See the black smoke coming off it? That's all the oil's burning. And you can see it starting to pop. And it will start dripping. This stuff burns for a very long time. So we're going to set one on fire and show you how long it burns for. So one of the advantages to this is you do not have to have a huge stack of kindling and tinder to start your wood. That burned for about 4.5 minutes solid, and that was at a very steep angle, and as you all know, fire burns up. So 1 or 2 of those with some good dried hardwood and 1 match, and you're ready to go with your fire and enjoy your evening, or a fire pit, or a pig barbecue, or whatever you want. So remember, dress for the job you want. You see all this that dripped out? That's all resin. That's all that flammable tar that's in there. It gave off all that black smoke. And that stuff that burned and dripped out without even having a chance to light. This stuff is so cool.